Hello, I'm James Lewis, the Guy and Dragon. I'm a visionary, and I'm building a meditation garden in my backyard. The idea is that I will dig out a dry creek bed and use that dirt to fill in the areas that I've enclosed in the raised bed gardens, of which there are two, with a pathway between them. I'm using mathematical higher order curves like the bell curve, which you'll see around here as you make this turn. And I will be planting with entheogenic cactuses and medicinal plants, and some just there because they're beautiful or they're good food. Now as we turn around here, you can see the bottle brush tree, and you get a better look at the whole configuration. Here you can see the bell curve, which occurs in nature everywhere. And so having a structure with the bell curve into it pulls the structure into the harmony of how nature operates. And yes, that's lantana. And another view of the whole yard. The channel through does something interesting with the wind. The breezes can blow through here, across the garden, but inside it's a calmer space, and it has acoustical properties. Noise generated inside stays inside and travels around corners. And here we come in towards the center of the galaxy spiral. And you can see the bottle brush tree. And now you get a view of the spiral curl. And we turn around basically in the center of the yard in this galaxy spiral, so that you will see one arm coming in and one arm going out. And we come around, finally, and come up to the spiral curl, which has resonant properties. So yes, there's a reason for that drum, and I hope there will be many more. The laser lights are positioned to shoot down, so there shouldn't be any problem with air traffic, but quite a display on the ground. And all of those plants are going to get inside this garden. It may take a while. This is going to be a marble bench, and we'll stucco the inside of the wall, not the tarp part. Here's the bottle brush tree. I'm going to do a lot with phase changing lights, but there's plenty of room for about, say 7 people to sit in here. And the breezes are gentle. So if you're looking for a place to and get away from all of the nonsense of this material world on this backwards, primitive, barbaric planet. This is, I think, the place that you might want to go, or build yourself, because that's the pathway to the door.